In this lecture, we'll see another concept in React.js, which is React Router DOM. So what does React Router DOM do? What does it basically do? Okay, so we usually have different pages on our website, right? And if we want that every page has its separate route, then we have to define the route. And we define that with the npm package React Router DOM. Okay, so before using it, we have to install it on our project. We'll copy it from here and we'll paste it in terminal, in VS Code, and we'll install it in our directory. So we'll write npm install React Router DOM. We'll install this package in our project. It may take some time. Okay, so now it's installing. We'll make 2 pages in this project and we'll define the route of both pages. So we'll make a page home page and we'll make the second page about page. Okay, so we made these 2 pages. Now our npm package has been installed as well. So for checking it, we'll go to this file package.json and you can see in dependencies that React Router DOM has been installed. So we'll close it. We'll write the boilerplate import React from React, and then we'll write its function, then we'll return it, and then we export it. Okay, so like this will work as well for about. So let me show you both pages. Okay, first of all, we'll import home and about. We'll display it here. Now we'll start our npm. Okay, so our home and about have been made. Right now our app is being initialized. We'll go to the section of documentation. And as you can see here, they have told us how to use the React Router DOM. So we want these 3 things from React Router DOM. First of all, we'll copy browser router. Now we'll import browser router. Now we'll write our app, which is getting rendered in the browser router. Okay, now we want these 2 things, i.e. routes and route. Okay, so we'll define the routes here. We'll import routes and route from React Router DOM. Now we'll write routes, meaning where it starts and where it ends. So to write it in one single route, we'll write route and we'll give the path. So we want that when we go to home page, then we get the / when we need the home page on this route, and we'll write the element. Now we want to render the home page on this route. Okay, so and on this route we want to render the about page. Okay, so our 2 routes, i.e. the home page and the about page, have been made. Okay, so now when anyone goes to this route, then he'll get this home rendered component, and if someone goes to this route, then he will get this about rendered component. So we'll go to the home page and we'll write return this is home page. We'll do it. We'll do the same with the about, and we will write this is the about page. So now if someone goes to this route, then he will get this page, and when someone goes to this route, then he'll get that page. Alright, so now we'll save it. We went to home page, so we got the home page rendered. And if we go to the about page, then we get the about page rendered. So this is how we can do routing in our web application. This was the first concept of React Router DOM. In the next lecture, I'll tell you about the concept of link, in which if you click on A, then we move on to this route, for example. If you click on this route, then it takes you there. So we'll talk about this concept in the next lecture. Alright, and now on to the next one.